Morning, boys and girls. We're going to be having some fun with colours today. And we only need 3 colours to have lots and lots of fun. And Celine has come to join us and to see what's happening when we're busy working with these different colours. So I've got 3 colours of dough, I've got 3 colours of paint, and I've got 3 colours of food colouring. And we can mix these different colours to make new colours. I have got red and blue and yellow of each of them. And you can explore them in all sorts of different ways. You can choose a lot of yellow to mix with a bit of red, or a lot of blue to mix with a tiny bit of yellow. You can decide how you're going to use these different things to mix and make new colours and have lots and lots of fun. So if you're working with the paints, you can squeeze out little bits. You can mix your own paints if you've got powder paint, which is absolutely wonderful. And then you can use spoons to mix the different colours together, and you can use the paint brushes. Just explore and discover in different ways. You need a little bit of paper, or you can even just work on a tray and see how the colours work. You could even use your fingers. So I'm going to use a spoon to start with, and I'm going to take a dollop of yellow and a dollop of blue. And then I'm going to use my finger to mix them together. But I'm not going to mix them completely because I want you to discover for yourself. So I'm going to start the job, but I want you to finish it at home so that you can see what happens when you mix yellow and blue together. And then you can try with blue and red, and you can try with yellow and red. And it's exactly the same with the dough. If Mommy makes half a batch of each colour of dough, and you pinch off little bits like that, and you start pushing them together, and I'm going to use yellow and blue again, the same as I did with the paint, because I want you to discover the other colours that you can make using different combinations. So you squish the dough together for a long time. Squish, squish. Use your fingers, not just your hands. Let your thumbs push in. Let your fingers push in, and you will see that you're able to make a completely new colour with one of these primary colours. We call these 3 colours our primary colours. And then if you have some food colouring, you can also have a lot of fun. Again, I've got red, yellow and blue, and you can use paper towels for these. These ones I have folded up. So we fold it up to begin with. We have a full paper towel, and we fold it in half, and we fold it in half again and again and again. And then we take a corner and we dip it into one of the colours, and then we take another corner and we dip it into one of the other colours. If you'd like to, you can even do a third corner into a third colour, just depending on what you would like to do. Now, I'm not going to do it now because we are working inside and it becomes very drippy, and you're going to have to ask Mum or Dad or an older brother or sister to open it up very carefully for you and leave it on the grass to dry, because it tears extremely easily. But another way that you could do it is you could use spoons, and you could just carefully spoon out a little bit of each colour and drop it onto the paper towel. I'm working on a tray so that I don't make a big mess on the floor. Just scoop out a little bit of one colour, drop it in different places on your paper towel, spread it around a little bit. Doesn't all have to be in one spot. And then another colour. Scoop a little bit and put it right next to one of the other colours. And you'll see that the paper towel that's super absorbent, which means that it sucks up all the liquid, allows it to spread all over. Do some nice big dollops of the different colours. Let it spread out. And I'm going to do a little bit of yellow as well. And we're going to let them touch one another, the colours. So here we go, touching one another. There's another bit, until you've completely covered your paper towel. And when you leave it out to dry, you're going to see that you do have your 3 primary colours, red, yellow and blue, but you have also made some other colours. Another thing that you can do with the colours is that you can ask Mum or Dad to go and buy you some cellophane, and you can make some special glasses with red or blue or yellow, and then look at the world through those special homemade glasses that you make with cardboard and cellophane, and see how the world all around you changes when you have different colours to look through. Have fun with all these different colours. I think you're going to enjoy discovering the new colours that you can make by mixing the 3 primary colours in different ways. And don't forget, you can even try all 3 colours together. Have fun!